Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new LiZZiE McGuiRE collection by Colourpop. This is... okay, I'm not going to say this is the cutest. I say that in every video. But look at this. I feel like every 90s kid right now is just dying. LiZZiE McGuiRE is just an icon. Especially the cartoon LiZZiE. Like, everyone knows the cartoon LiZZiE. I'm so excited for this collection. I honestly wasn't sure whether they were going to send this to me or not. I'm so grateful that they did. I saw everyone else unboxing this and I was like, I need that. I was actually on their website ready to buy it when I saw this arrived at my door. So this is so awesome. Let me zoom you guys in. I guess the first item I'll start out with is the eyeshadow palette. So this is the What Dreams Are Made Of palette. Ugh, these shades, I feel like I need to use those greens. These are the swatches for the palette. Such beautiful shades. This one up here is a purely glitter shade. So it's like a glitter topper. I'm also going to be doing a tutorial using all of these products. So right after I show you guys all of these, I'll be using them in case you want to stay tuned for that. But there are two blushes here. We have the You Are Magnifico blush. This is more of a rose color with a ton of glitter in it. This next one is more of, I guess, like a light pink, slightly mauve. This is the Dee-lish blush. I think all of the glitter in here, it's having a hard time focusing. There we go. Is that right? These are both shades swatched. We have two Glitterally Obsessed glitter gels. Ugh, look at these. Okay, so this first one is Sing to Me Paolo. Sing to me, Paolo. Oh my god, the LiZZiE McGuiRE movie. I need to go back and rewatch that. A classic. This next one is Get a Grip. I love both these shades. I feel like I like Sing to Me Paolo just a little bit more because I feel like it's just more wearable as a topper. I will say, guys, these are not eye safe. Like they're not approved to be worn on your eyes, which it's such like a weird topic because in the eyeshadow palette, this is a pressed glitter in here. This guy. And that's not eye safe either, although they do this all the time with eyeshadow palettes. I just don't know why they would put it in there if it's not eye safe. And the one that actually comes in the palette is way more dangerous when it comes to your eyes because those actually do fall and get into your eyes throughout the day. Whereas if you're using something like a Glitterally Obsessed, these do dry down and it's way less of a risk for it falling into your eye. I've just had experience with both. I just wanted to let you guys know that they are not eye safe. Just in case, if you do want to risk it, I would go for this. Also, real quick before we move on, if you guys do wind up getting these Glitterally Obsessed body glitters, keep this guy here. These are the little, I don't know why it's not focusing. These are the little cases that go on top of here. They just keep them moist and fresh. Otherwise, they'll dry out pretty quickly. So make sure that you don't discard that. I don't think that that's complete common sense because I've done that a few times. And let me tell you, I feel like they last like 2 months otherwise, so definitely keep those. Next up we have a lip scrub. So this is the Bubblegum Pop Lippie Scrub. I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not going to swatch this or use it because I feel like you guys already know what these are. Plus swatching it, I feel like you're not even going to notice a difference. Moving on, these are the So Juicy Plumping Gloss Duo. Ooh, these are plumping? I feel like this is going to be my shade for summer. I'm just going to be wearing this one every single day. So this is the Dear Diary So Juicy Gloss Trio. These are the glosses up close out of the packaging, in case you wanted to see them. They both have glitter in them. They look like they're more of like a tinted gloss with glitter. Oh, I'm so excited for this Miranda shade. This is like the perfect light tint of pink with some glitter in it. Ooh, these smell, they actually do smell like bubblegum. Like the old school bubblegum. It reminds me specifically of the little gumball eyes from the SpongeBob, what is it called? Ice Cream Pop? Is that just what they're called? From the Ice Cream Man? Oh my god, why can I not get that thought across? Next up we have LiZZiE, which is, it looks like it would be more of like a vanilla type shade, if that even makes any sense. I don't know how to explain it. It's like not completely clear white. It's more of like a slightly off-white, you guys know. But it has more gold sparkles in it. Very hard to show tinted glosses on camera, so I hope you guys can see these. But it looks like the same glitter is used in both of these, so it's like a like pink and gold glitter in there. And last but not least, we have the Seriously Cool So Juicy Gloss Duo. This first one here is Ethan Craft. And in the tube, it's red, but I would say this is more of, obviously, like a pink tinted gloss with sparkles in it. If you're looking for a gloss that has a little bit more pigment in it, like if you were looking at this one and it wasn't enough pigment for you, I would definitely suggest this one because actually this swatch kind of looks like it would be this shade. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but it makes sense to me. And the glitter, again, is the same glitter from the other gloss. So that shade was Ethan, and now we have Gordo, which is a purple gloss with sparkles in there. I love that these are all very wearable glosses. I think out of all of them, I would definitely suggest Ethan. And I mean, I would also suggest Miranda. I love both of these. But really, any of these shades you can wear every single day. I love this collection. There's nothing in here that I'm like, oh, that doesn't fit. And all of the colors for this collection are perfect. Now we're moving on to the tutorial part of the video. So for the eyeshadow look, I really want to use like either like a pink or like a purple liner. These are both by NYX. These are the Vivid Brights liners. I just feel like that would go with the vibe. So I'm trying to think. I definitely want to use both these greens. I'm not sure if you guys saw that in my notes this whole entire time, so in case you did, I'm just gonna mention it. I had to put Vaseline, is it Vaseline? Yeah, Vaseline in my nose because my nose has just been so dry. I've been having so many nosebleeds. We stopped using the humidifier for the year because I figured it's starting to get warmer outside. You don't really need it in the spring, but maybe we need to get another one. I am just going to prep my eyelids first before we go into the eyeshadow. For this, I'm just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. Alright, so I think I'm going to start out using the shade Bye-Bye. So that is right up here. I can just picture Lizzie saying that to Kate. Is it Kate? I feel like it's Kate. Bye-Bye. Okay, I'm going to put this, holy shit, this is pigmented. I'm going to do this to the top portion here, right underneath my brow. Holy crap. Do you guys know what the update is for the LiZZiE McGuiRe reboot? I know that they were saying that it wasn't happening anymore because they just couldn't, there was like so many creative differences. Then I heard that they resolved it, then they were starting things up again. But I mean, I don't know if that's completely true or if that's just a rumor. But I wish that they could work it out. I understand Hilary Duff's perspective on it. I think she wants it to be more like, where would they be now kind of thing, and like have kids and stuff like that. And I don't know, I think like Disney wanted to go in a different direction with it. I feel like it's probably really hard dealing with Disney because they want everything to be kind of like airy-fairy and not like real life stuff. I wonder if they could like air it on another network or something. That way it doesn't have to be as, I don't know, like family friendly. Which I guess Disney owns it, but then they would have to share the rights. I don't know. Right, now I'm going into the shade Don't Freak. So this is that matte lime green. And I picked the wrong brush. The brushes that I'm using, guys, are by Maven Beauty. Just so that you know. Oof, such a cool shade. This is such a pigmented shade, guys, and I'm not even noticing any fallout. So I think I'm also gonna do this on my outer corner. I'll do the other eye and then I'll be back. I kind of want to leave the look like this. This is kind of very, this is actually like very LiZZiE McGuiRe back when. It was just kind of like one shade that you just blew out your eyes with. Let me see what shade, should I go in with? I wonder if you're gonna be able to tell that this is like a pink shade. So this is Outfit Rememberer. I don't know if that's gonna, here, let me see. Okay, it does look pink on my finger, so let's see. Maybe I'll use the shade Hello Fabulous, which is the icy purple. Maybe I'll use that in the inner, very inner corner. You know what? I'm also gonna use that shade in the outer corner, I think, too. Tie it all together. So I've been mixing the shade Digital Bean in with that icy purple, and I feel like it's coming out really good. All right, it's coming together. I can't decide whether I should go underneath with the Digital Bean color, which was, it's like a, I almost said orangey purple, like a pinky purple, or if I should do the green. I'm gonna go with the green first. Maybe I'll do green first and then do the other one on top of it. Yeah, because I feel like you can't really see the green down here. Okay, so my idea for the liner was to do kind of like almost like a messy wave and maybe like loop it. And I was gonna draw the cartoon Lizzie on here and make it look like she's almost like drawing the liner on. You know what I mean? Just something cute. But when I envisioned that, I envisioned the liner being able to pop a little bit more. So I'm gonna go back in with that like icy pink, and I'm gonna go over top of this to lighten this up a little bit. Okay, so I think that's all I'm gonna do for the eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna head off camera to do my eyeliner. But before I do that, I'm gonna finish up using all of the other products. So I've been wanting to go in with this Glitterally Obsessed. So again, this is the shade Sing to Me, Paolo. And I think I'm gonna do this on the center of my lids. This is how they used to do glitter back in the day, guys, just in case you don't know. It's like you would take it all the way up to your eyebrow. For blush, I'm gonna go in with, this was the lighter one, the Dee-lish. The one that doesn't show up on my camera at all. So like I said, this is a very, very light, like icy pink. I'm just gonna put this on the apples of my cheeks here. If you do have any kind of texture or acne scarring, you're probably not gonna wanna use something like this because the glitter in it does highlight any kind of imperfections like that. But at the same time, it's fun. It's a very fun summer shade. And if you just hit the apples of your cheeks right here, you should be fine. Because I have a lot of indentation too, but this actually looks pretty good. And you don't see any glitter on your face. It just comes up as more of a glow, which is really nice. Right, I'm gonna line my lips off camera real quick, and then we'll be back to do the glosses. But real quick, in case you guys care, this is the Mud Cosmetics lip pencil in, I believe it's natural. So I'll be back. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Ethan Craft. So that was the one that had a little bit more pigment to it. Cover up these wine stains a little bit. Oh, I can't get over the smell of these. I love that they all smell the same too, so it doesn't matter which bundle you get. This is the look as of now, but like I said, I'm gonna go off camera to finish up the liner, or do the liner I guess, and then I'm gonna be drawing cartoon Lizzie on here. It'll be a whole mood. So I'll be back, guys. Probably like freaking like 3 hours later, so hopefully this makeup holds up. Okay guys, so this is my first time doing bubble braids, so go easy on me. I'm probably gonna wind up redoing these for the photos, but I just figured I wanted to get on here really quickly because the products that I used on Lizzie here can get like a little flaky. I used the Kat Von D pomades, these guys. These are great, but the only thing is they don't really last and they start flaking off, especially if you're doing something like that's not on your eyes where you're gonna be talking. It's like it moves and like slightly cracks it. So I'm trying to talk easy before I get my photos done. Before I do my photos. Also, I wanted to do my hair in kind of like inspired by Miranda, how she always had those cool hairstyles. I figured I would do bubble braids, but I didn't have, you know how she wears like the little kind of boa hair ties that's in everything, and they're usually like pink. I have a boa, but it has like feathers attached, and I thought that I would be able to use that, but I couldn't. So I just used this garland that I found in one of my drawers, and I'm just gonna edit it pink for the photo because it kind of looks like boa, right? But anyway, I did the eyeliner like I told you guys. I wanted to do it kind of messy, made it look like she was drawing it on. It's funny because I found these little confetti things in one of my drawers as well, and they perfectly match the packaging. It's like, yes. But yeah, this is the overall look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I loved everything from the collection. Like, seriously, everything was pretty pigmented from the palette. I mean, they're mostly pastels, so if you like pastels, I would say go for it. But I didn't have really any fallout when I was doing my makeup, which was surprising. But if you guys don't want to pick up the full collection and just want to pick a few things, I would definitely suggest the Glitterally Obsessed body glitters. I just think that these are so fun, and like I said, you can still put them on your eyes. They do dry down, and you could just use this as like a body glitter. Glitters are back in style. It's funny because around this era, putting sparkles all on your chest was like a huge thing. I don't know if you guys remember that, but I'm sure that's coming back in style. Another thing that I would suggest is the lips. I mean, they come in a duo, which is perfect. I really loved the Ethan Craft one and Miranda. I reapplied with Miranda because I wanted to wear this one again. I don't know if I noticed like a plumping property, which it says that it does have a little bit of that. I can't really tell because once I do my lip gloss, my lips already look a little bit more full, but I don't feel like a super strong tingliness. I feel almost like a slight mint tingle, but nothing like really crazy. But I love the pop of fun with the glitter in there. Overall, it was a really great collection, so whatever you guys choose, if you're going to pick something from the collection, let me know what you get in the comments down below. I'm really curious. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this look. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out. And yeah, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh my god, I need to take pictures of this before I crack this off. I think you did a pretty good job though. Ow. Oh my god, my nail almost just flew off. Okay, bye guys.